May nag-comment po dito, sabi po niya is unsafe. Yes, this is actually true. Halos lahat naman po ng mga merchants o kaya basta mga POS machine, meron po talaga siyang risk na ma-hack ka or manakawan ka. But then again, with this one, sa sinabi ko na pwede ka na mag-swipe ng MRT, ng card mo sa MRT for your transportation, is just use a credit card. Why? Kasi sa credit card, you can always file a dispute kung tingin mong na-hack yung iyong credit card. And kung sa investigation, lumabas na hindi mo talaga kasalanan or talagang na-hack ang iyong account, the credit card company will not force you naman to, alam mo yun, to pay for it or something like that. Ako so far, lahat naman ng, for example, kasi na-hack na rin ako, many times na rin talaga, hindi naiiwasan. Pero basta napatunayan naman during the investigation na hindi talaga ikaw yung gumamit, and malabong ikaw yung gumamit nun, so might as well just use the credit card. And if you think it's unsafe or it's not, hindi ka mapalagay dahil sa pag-swipe po dito sa MRT, machines nila, whatever, then, wag na po kayo mag-swipe. Just use yung traditional way of paying, which is using cash. So, thank you for your comment, Paksiw. And if you like this kind of content, please do like and follow.